The road toward parenthood is often difficult and full of challenges. And for couples and individuals who wish to build a family through third-party reproduction, that journey can be even more demanding, with a successful outcome often solely in the hands of the surrogacy agency and its experts. For over 20 years, Conceivabilities and its team of experienced professionals have helped thousands of families grow. From dealing with legal matters to matching surrogates with clients, Conceivabilities is there to guide, connect, protect, and support from start to finish. The individuals and couples seeking the services of Conceivabilities are diverse, with unique needs and questions. For Billy and Jennifer Banks from Chicago, Illinois, it was a trip to the doctor's office and a breast cancer diagnosis that started their path toward surrogacy.
I'm on cloud nine. I've got the woman of my dreams. I've just created my first liquidity event, so I've now provided for her. So I'm feeling great. And 2 weeks later, she's diagnosed with breast cancer.
It didn't make sense to me why we couldn't have a kid.
Unwilling to accept the diagnosis of infertility, the Banks reached out to Conceivabilities and its team of family-building experts.
I guess I realized that I needed to work with the best people and that I needed help and that I couldn't do it on my own. One, because of all of the stuff we were going through, but two, this seemed like out of my wheelhouse, and I really needed to find someone or a group or a company that could help facilitate and teach me what I needed to know and protect me through this, because there are so many issues and problems and elements. It's such a complicated process that one or two people, you're not going to make the right choices, and to have specialists. And I think that's what Conceivability does a great job of. They've got specialists in a lot of different fields that will help guide you.
Tushy, please.
I am an A-type personality and researched all of the surrogacy companies in the country and sort of listed them and tiered them. And then the minute I got on the phone with Conceivabilities, I was done. She was authentic and real, and her truth resonated. And that's what I needed. I needed someone to be honest with me and not to sugarcoat it and not to tell me what I wanted to hear. And she told me that, she was going to help me get there. And I knew she knew what she was talking about. I felt it over the phone.
Jennifer rapidly underwent 2 egg retrieval cycles, followed by in vitro fertilization, hoping to still have a chance of pregnancy, despite the intensive cancer treatment regimen.
It's an investment, both financially, emotionally, time, and there's no certainty of success.
Knowing that the chances of success were slim, the Banks also pursued surrogacy. And thanks to Conceivability's unique Matching Matters approach, the Banks quickly connected with Conceivability's standout surrogate, Christina.
We met Christina, and, Christina was very nervous and very sweet. And it's just such an awkward situation when you first meet this person, and then you don't really realize it's so loaded and complicated, and they're trying so hard, and you're trying so hard. And it was just with her, there was just none of that. It was just easy, and she was just lovely. This is obviously the person that I'm going to do this with. It was like I really felt she wanted me to have these kids. She is the one. She is the reason I have this. I don't mix emotions on this.
The depth of Conceivability's superior Matching Matters methodology is in part based on a signature process for pre-screening standout surrogates for medical, psychological, and other criteria, and matching parents with the best surrogate based on the needs of all parties involved. Christina and the Banks completed 2 embryo transfer attempts, both unsuccessful. With all hopes of a pregnancy quickly diminishing, and knowing that their pregnancy was high risk because of the cancer treatment, they made one final embryo transfer attempt. And it worked. The Banks and Christina discovered that they were both pregnant. Only with Christina, it was twins.
At the end of the day, you're playing with statistics. It's your chances are enhanced with the IVF process. Your chances are obviously better with a surrogate if you can't carry yourself, but it's a roll of the die. You're either coming up 1 or you're coming up none. In our case, we came up 3.
Jennifer gave birth to a girl, River, and 10 weeks later, the twins, Bodie and Raven, were born, thanks to their surrogate, Christina. A greater understanding of infertility, shifting regulation for same-sex couples, and more women choosing not to carry are some of the factors driving the rapidly increasing demand for surrogacy in the United States. Throughout its history, Conceivabilities has advocated for the modern family. Its proprietary matching process has earned the respect of thousands of families and the nation's leading fertility experts. In addition to laying a strong foundation for the surrogate relationship, Conceivabilities connects intended parents with the many resources necessary, including medical, legal, and financial professionals.
I definitely felt like I was given all of the right indications and indicators to go to the right people and that there was a network. And I used every single one of the people that was recommended to me. I found a great attorney that made me feel safe and like-minded. It was like a community, and you got to walk in and sort of take the best of it.
In the end, the banks are thankful for having chosen the right team of professionals to help grow their family.
What I realized in this experience is this is bigger than anything that a woman or a husband, a couple could possibly imagine going into it. And you really do need someone, a professional or someone that's had that experience to guide you and facilitate the process and help you make good decisions and help bring in intelligent people that can help you make good decisions. Because in my research, I found that all the surrogacy companies were not created equal and all the money was different. And I guess I am a risk-adverse person and thought this is really not the place where I want to be, penny wise and pound foolish. So I eliminated a lot of the lower end ones just because of the lack of information and follow through. And it seemed to be with the higher end ones, I felt safer and more protected and more comfortable. And I couldn't really put a price tag on that. You feel safe and comfortable no matter what your situation is. And so I think if it's a same-sex marriage or if you're alone or regardless, that this is the company that really feels like no matter what, they're going to be there for you and they're going to help you achieve your dream, but never make you feel like they're making the decision for you or they have an agenda. I felt with Conceivabilities, it was always what was best for Jennifer and Billy.
It's a serenity now. It wasn't even a dream that I knew that I was dreaming, but it feels like a dream.